in response to the growing needs of the Indian transport and logistics industry. For better fleet utilization and greater control, Tata Motors launched the Tata Fleetman Fleet Telematics Services in September 2012. Widely appreciated by fleet managers and transport owners for its reliability and versatility, Tata Fleetman has greatly helped in raising productivity levels of its customers' fleets.
The major advantage of using Tata Fleetman is we've been able to manage a fleet at the optimum utilization with minimum idling of vehicles.
Tata Fleetman's report which comes, it talks about kilometer and other things. Whatever it is, I just like that. Based on that only, I give the driver for diesel or for expenses on a kilometer basis, which is very easy for me. In this, driver cannot just lie about anything. Even if he tries to take my vehicle in a different route, I will come to know about it.
As the logistics and transport industry in India grows in size and evolves technologically, transport operators are increasingly demanding more innovative telematic solutions.
As a logistics service provider, optimum utilization of resources is of paramount importance to us. A sophisticated and user-friendly system with multi-level and multi-user architecture can help customers, OEMs, and the logistics service providers in better planning and better forecasting, which ultimately is going to help them in having more efficient use, more optimum utilization of their resources and better cost management.
The compulsory things that we need in hazardous goods transportation is whether the driver is wearing seat belts and whether he's napping or he's feeling fatigued. How do we capture all these things while he's driving the trucks? So if these trucks, the telematics can help us further track the driver identification and the driver behavior inside the cab. That would be one of the greatest expectations that we are looking forward from the telematics.
For me, telematics is very important. In this, they can even add more features. For instance, if a driver steals diesel, then I should get an alert immediately. This will keep me informed the moment he returns from the trip. I can ask him about the fuel theft or why the average of the vehicle is so low, etc. Remote diagnostics. This is very important. If on the way vehicle gets too hot or the engine oil is too low or any problem, I should get the alerts. Then the driver can go to the service center and get the repair work done. By this, the driver will be able to maintain the vehicle from the engine failure, etc. We believe Tata Motors will fulfill our wishes. If Tata Motors feel about the latest technology like in Europe, US, Tata Motors can introduce it even in India.
In the developed world, advanced telematic solutions have produced remarkable results in improving operating economy, safety, and efficiency of transport fleets. One company which has contributed immensely towards the development of fleet telematics in Europe is Microlise. A leading UK-based transport management systems provider, Microlise has been delivering world-class solutions to logistics operators and OEM manufacturers for over 3 decades. They operate in 139 countries around the world and in 28 different languages. They work with the leading names in the European transport industry, including global giants like DHL, Carlsberg, British Gas, and Tesco, and leading OEMs like JCB and MAN. Microlise is committed to research and development, with 40% of their staff deployed in this area. The R&D team is currently working with Nottingham University on a sophisticated algorithm-based system for predicting vehicle failures before they actually happen. Microlise's products and services are known for the state-of-the-art technology, very high reliability and uptime levels, and a vast and versatile range. In order to bring the next generation telematics technology and applications to the Indian commercial vehicle customers, India's foremost automobile OEM, Tata Motors, now joins hands with Europe's leading fleet telematics service provider, Microlise. Mr. Ravi Pisharati, Executive Director Commercial Vehicles Business Unit at Tata Motors, is extremely excited about this association.
As the leading commercial vehicle manufacturer in India, we have been spearheading the change in the Indian transport industry. We as Tata Motors wish to lead the shift towards electronic control of drivelines and other vehicle systems. We also wish to harness the power and potential of such a digital approach by introducing advanced telematics and fleet management services. Tata Fleetman's partnership with Microlise is a step in that direction. We firmly believe that this association has the potential to transform the way commercial vehicle fleets are managed in India.
Equally enthused is Mr. Nadeem Raza, the Managing Director of Microlise.
Microlise are really proud and excited to be working with Tata Motors. We've been working together for over a year on a world-leading telematics program that's going to revolutionise the Indian marketplace. The new Tata Fleetman system is based on a Microlise platform which is deployed on 140,000 connections in 139 countries globally. It's used by some of the biggest transport and logistics companies in the world. Tata and Microlise have built a strong, close working relationship in a very short period of time. We intend to continue to build on that strategic partnership and deliver a world-beating telematics product for the Indian customers.
Besides ensuring unmatched reliability and uptime levels, this partnership will introduce advanced telematics features for the first time in the Indian transport industry. Driving assessment and retraining with the objective of improving safety and fuel economy, stolen vehicle tracking, fuel management, emergency messaging, and vehicle health management. The two companies will also jointly develop systems and capabilities in next-generation applications, such as remote diagnostics and prognostics, and usage-based insurance. As the Indian transport sector enters a new era of growth and development, Tata Fleetman and Microlise commit themselves to its service and technological advancement.